3D Printing Madness, Ultimate World Cruise Edition. Over the past few days, I have been focusing on getting my LGoo Saturn 3D printing resin printer up and running so I can print something in honor of Miss Adita, Christian, and Chrissy50 and Cranky. And I'm proud to present the red pineapple. Look at it. I love it. That's the good news. Now the bad news. It broke when I tried to take it off its platform. I'm sad. So I'm working on version 2, but I wanted to give you a lovely little peek at the successful top part of it. Only took 13 hours. And here's my tiny little test print that I did yesterday. And then here's the big one. It came out so well, minus this part. As you can see, it's all janky. So I'm fixing that too. But, updates. So look, now I have a little mic holder. Another one. It's a little pineapple. I love it. Even though it's broken, it can still be useful. Can you tell it's broken? No. So, I just wanted to give you a brief update there. I'm gonna go work on my regular Ultimate World Cruise updates. We'll talk to you all again later today.